Yo, what's up everybody, it's Family Trip and we're about to drop some serious knowledge on you. Leverkusen, Germany. We're peeling back the layers, uncovering the hidden gems, the natural escapes, the green heart beating beneath the concrete. This isn't your average travel guide, this is raw, this is real, this is us diving headfirst into the unexpected beauty of a city often overlooked. Get ready to explore, people, let's go, welcome to our channel. Today we're exploring the top 5 natural spots in and around Leverkusen. Let's dive in. Alright, first up, Newland Park. This place is a freaking oasis, smack dab in the middle of the city. Imagine this concrete jungle transforming into lush green paradise. Boom, Newland Park. We're talking walking paths, winding through trees, open fields perfect for a picnic, a skate park for the adrenaline junkies. Seriously, the vibe here is electric. Families chilling, kids running around, birds singing. It's like the city takes a deep breath and exhales pure tranquility. You could spend hours here just soaking it all in. We're grabbing some B-roll. The light is insane. Look, I know what you're thinking. A park? Seriously? But trust me, this isn't your average park. This is an escape. A reset button. A place to recharge before diving back into the urban chaos. And the best part? It's right there. Accessible to everyone. We're walking these paths, and I'm thinking, how many people just pass by this place, unaware of the magic hidden within? That's what we're here to do, to uncover these hidden gems. The design of this park is incredible. It seamlessly blends nature and urban elements. You got these modern sculptures juxtaposed against ancient trees. It's a visual feast. I'm getting inspired just being here. We're setting up the drone, gonna get some epic aerial shots. You have to see this place from above. The perspective shifts, the city melts away, and you're left with this vibrant green heart. It's breathtaking. And for the families out there, this place is a gold mine. Playgrounds, open spaces, plenty of room for the kids to run wild and burn off some energy. Parents can relax, enjoy the scenery, it's a win-win. We're chatting with some locals, getting their take on Newland Park. They love it, it's their escape, their sanctuary. This adventure is just getting started, don't touch that dial. Okay, Wild Park Reuschenberg, this place is a different kind of magic. We're talking wild animals roaming free, forests whispering secrets, and a sense of adventure around every bend. This isn't a zoo, this is a glimpse into nature's raw power. We're walking through these ancient trees, the sunlight filtering through the leaves, it's like stepping into another world, and then, bam! A deer crosses our path, majestic, graceful, totally unfazed by our presence. This is what I'm talking about. We're following the trails deeper into the forest. The air is fresh, crisp, alive. You can smell the earth, the leaves, the pure, unadulterated essence of nature. It's intoxicating. We spot a family of wild boars, the piglets scampering around their mother. This is a real-life nature documentary unfolding right before our eyes. We're keeping a respectful distance, of course, but the experience is unforgettable. This park is massive. You could spend days exploring its trails, discovering its hidden corners. We're getting lost, in the best way possible. There's a sense of freedom here, a sense of being truly connected to the natural world. We stumble upon a hidden pond, the water reflecting the trees like a mirror. It's so peaceful, so serene. We take a moment to just breathe, to appreciate the stillness. This is what travel is about, right? Stepping outside your comfort zone, immersing yourself in new experiences, connecting with the world around you on a deeper level. Wild Park Reuschenberg, you've delivered. We're climbing up to a lookout point. The view from here is insane. We can see the entire park stretching out before us, a tapestry of green and brown, a testament to the power and beauty of nature. We just have to be willing to seek them out. Next up, we're hitting the Dun River. Stay tuned. Chapter 3. Dun River, nature's liquid lifeline. Alright, the Dun River. This isn't just a body of water, this is a liquid lifeline pulsating through the heart of Leverkusen. We're talking kayaking, canoeing, just soaking in the tranquility of nature's rhythm. This is where the city slows down, takes a breath, and lets the river carry its worries away. We're launching our kayaks, the water cool and refreshing against our skin. The sun is shining, the birds are singing, and the river is calling. Let's do this. We're paddling upstream against the gentle current. It's a good workout, but the scenery makes it worth it. The riverbanks are lined with trees, their branches reaching out over the water, creating a canopy of green. We spot a family of ducks gliding effortlessly across the surface. They seem so peaceful, so at home in their watery world. It's a reminder that we're just visitors here, guests in nature's domain. The river winds its way through the city, revealing hidden pockets of beauty. We pass under bridges, past parks, and through quiet residential areas. It's a different perspective on Leverkusen, a glimpse into its more tranquil side. We stop for a break on a small sandy beach, the perfect spot for a picnic. We unpack our sandwiches, soak up the sun, and enjoy the sounds of the river flowing by. It's pure bliss. This is what I love about traveling, discovering these hidden oases, these moments of peace and tranquility amidst the hustle and bustle of everyday life. The Dun River, you've captured our hearts. We're paddling back downstream now, the current carrying us effortlessly along. The sun is starting to set, painting the sky in hues of orange and pink. It's a breathtaking sight. This is the kind of experience that stays with you long after you've left. Next up, Morsbroich Park. Get ready for some art and nature colliding. Don't go anywhere. Chapter 4. Morsbroich Park. Art meets nature. Morsbroich Park. This is where art and nature collide. We're not just talking trees and flowers here, we're talking sculptures, installations, a whole outdoor museum seamlessly integrated into the landscape. This is a place where you can wander, get lost, and discover something new around every corner. We're entering the park, and already I'm blown away. The scale of the sculptures, the way they interact with the environment, it's truly impressive. This isn't just art, it's an experience. We're walking through a field of tall grasses and suddenly we come across a giant metal structure twisting and turning towards the sky. It's like something out of a science fiction movie. I'm mesmerized. We stumble upon a hidden grove where sculptures are nestled amongst the trees. It's like a secret garden, a place where art and nature coexist in perfect harmony. I could spend hours here just exploring. We're chatting with some other visitors, discussing the art, sharing our interpretations. It's fascinating to hear different perspectives, to see how the same piece can evoke such different emotions. This park is a reminder that art can be found anywhere, not just in museums and galleries. It can be integrated into our everyday lives, enriching our experiences, challenging our perceptions. We're climbing up a small hill, and from here we can see the entire park stretching out before us. The sculptures dotting the landscape, the trees swaying in the breeze, the sunlight filtering through the leaves. It's a visual feast. This is what travel is about, right? Opening your mind to new experiences, discovering different ways of seeing the world, connecting with art and nature on a deeper level. Morsbroich Park, you've inspired us. Finally, we're heading to the Bergisches Land. Get ready for some serious natural beauty. Don't touch that dial. Chapter 5, Bergisches Land, Tranquility Unleashed, Bergisches Land. Okay people, this is it, the grand finale. This isn't just a park, this is a region, a sprawling landscape of rolling hills, dense forests, and crystal-clear streams. This is where tranquility reigns supreme. We're driving into the Bergisches Land, and already I can feel the stress melting away. The air is cleaner, the pace is slower, the world seems to breathe a little easier here. We're pulling over at a scenic overlook. The view from here is breathtaking. We can see for miles across rolling hills dotted with farmhouses and villages. It's like a postcard come to life. We're hiking through a dense forest, the sunlight filtering through the leaves creating a dappled pattern on the forest floor. The air is cool and crisp, scented with pine and earth. We come across a babbling brook, the water crystal clear, tumbling over rocks and moss. We stop to take a drink, the water cold and refreshing. It's like nature's energy drink. We're climbing up a steep hill, our legs burning, our lungs working overtime. But when we reach the top, the view makes it all worthwhile. We can see the entire valley spread out before us, a tapestry of green and gold. This is what it's all about, right? Pushing yourself physically, challenging your limits, and being rewarded with breathtaking views and a sense of accomplishment. We're sitting on a rock, taking it all in. The silence is broken only by the sound of the wind rustling through the trees and the distant call of a bird. It's pure peace. This is the kind of place where you can truly escape, where you can reconnect with yourself, with nature, with the world around you. Bergisches Land, you've rejuvenated us. This is our final stop on our Leverkusen adventure. We're heading back now, but the memories, the experiences, the connections we've made, they will stay with us forever. Leverkusen, see you soon. So that's it. Leverkusen, you've officially blown us away. From urban oases to wild forests, from rivers to art installations, you've proven that there's so much more to discover beneath the surface. Don't judge a book by its cover, people. Leverkusen, you're a hidden gem. Thanks for joining us on this tour of Leverkusen's natural escapes. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel guides and adventures. Peace out.